Who do you think that could be?
That's my mom. I told you like 1,000 times she's coming this weekend.
Hey, so good to see you.
Nice to see you.
Holy cow, is it hot in here?
Well, you know the AC's been out and...
Oh, Han, aren't you gonna fix it?
Yeah. I'll go take a look at it.
Thank you for calling RSP Heating Cooling. How may I help you?
Yeah, hi, I have an emergency. Unexpected mother-in-law visit, no AC. I need you guys here ASAP.
Yes, sir. We'll have someone there immediately.
All right, everyone, we got code MIL, mother-in-law, no AC, go, go, go.
I did it. Air conditioning's all fixed and it's good to go.
That's nice, dear, but could you turn it up? I'm chilly.
Whatever you want.
RSP, providing emergency service 24/7. Join the circle.